all of you. I don't like farewell parties much because it's kind of actually saying bye to all my students whom I've been accustomed to for the last 2 years. So I basically do not have a habit of bidding bye or adios to my students. But anyways, farewell party. I don't say it as a farewell party. Maybe it's a celebration of your 2 years of FIDA here. And of course, your journey of FIDA doesn't end here. You all know that you're going to again get back here all the second years. And how are you going to get back? You're going to get back here for the alumni meet. So that's not a point that you're going to leave the FIDA institutions here. But yeah, I would like to wish you all. I'd like to wish you all for your careers, for all those who have settled here in the campus placements. Very big congratulations to all of you, and it's a heartfelt wish to each one of you sitting here, to all the seniors, that you have wonderful career ahead. It's not the end point. It could be the end point of your educational map, but still it's the beginning point of your life. So at each and every step, I do hope that success, happiness, joy, everything sticks on with each one of you all. To all the juniors who have put in a lot of effort to conduct this, I think it's worth a big appreciation to them, given the less and paucity of time. So within a very short span of time, this has been organized, so I think for their time management skills, I have to appreciate them a lot. So a big sense of appreciation to them. And to all the seniors and juniors, I don't have any message to say. I just want you all to be very successful, and the next time I visit you all, it should be that I have to see you all with very happy, smiling, successful and good faces, and not to forget your college and all of us who are there here. So I once again wish you all the best. Of course, as I keep saying, we are not an institute who looks for infrastructure. We are an institute, we actually look for our own students. You are the students who are the foundations of our college. So you are going to take our college forward. So better maintain yourself, whatever you are. You know, in terms of yourself, be good wherever you go, so that tomorrow when you go, you will be remembered as a student of FIDA for what you have learned. So I once again wish you all the very best. Thank you all.